So if you guys wanna, guys that use their brains and being creative still, whatever, limited space, but doing a nice job with the cast iron radiators. Look, recessed, it's inside the wall with the trim. We did it. You know, we sizing with the software that we're paying for it, sizing the system, sizing the sizes of the radiators that you need for each section. We're doing everything. Radiators, baseboard, cast iron baseboard, radiant heat floors, any kind of hydronic heat type, we do it. So is AC. Bedrooms upstairs with the radiators. Another bathroom with the shower. Closet, small radiator. Nice vanity master bathroom with the jacuzzi. A nice master shower, toilet. This beautiful lunch. Washer, dryer, sink, everything. So if ever a hoses breaks, it will never leak because they have this step over here and it's waterproofed. Nice double sink. Look at this beauty.